Hello everybody and welcome to the Grange Headteacher Autumn 2 Video Assembly, the 2nd of November 2020. Welcome to our half term. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. I'm proud of all of you. What are we aiming for? Well, we know everybody. We want a great caring attitude from everybody. We want to be all trying our best. We want to always be learning, especially from our mistakes. We don't worry about making mistakes. We learn from them. We also want to be going for improvement and progress. It isn't about anybody else. It's just about each of us trying to be our best and continuously improving and making progress. We want to use our education to help us to make really good choices as we live our lives. And we want to never give up. So, true strength. It's a really important question. We often think about being strong. We think about physical muscles and our bodies with strength. But how can we become stronger? Well, we know about physical strength, but really what's important is character strength. So let's look at that. Well, physical strength, it can help you overcome physical challenges. And in physical strength, if you have to have a physical battle, well, you can win if you've got physical strength. But character strength, it helps you overcome any challenge. And character strength helps you to win any battle that you're in at the end. So really, character strength is about true strength, and it really helps you to grow and develop and be your best and win all the battles you need to win in your life. And that is why at Grange we say character strength is so important. Now, one of the ways to develop your character strength is to use the power of wisdom. And remember, we spoke about wisdom. And we said wisdom isn't just intelligence, it's like thinking about everything you learn in life, everything you go through in life, every mistake you make, every important thing you achieve. You put that all together and you cook that together, and that is your wisdom power. And it's thinking deeply to help you to make good choices. And we said two of the ways to really grow your powers of wisdom is to love learning. So really, every time you have an opportunity to learn, if you're in class, if you're doing homework, if you decide to do your own studying to grow your knowledge, your love of learning, that helps to grow your wisdom. And then also we said curiosity. So to really be interested in things and say, I want to find out more. I want to know more. And it could be about anything, but just being curious and just wanting to find out more. Well, that grows your wisdom and that gives you real character strength. But today I wanted to speak about something called courage. And you might know courage by another word, bravery. You might have heard somebody saying, oh, that's really brave. So somebody who has courage is very, very brave. And what does it really mean to have courage? Well, what does courage mean? It's a really good question. You could stop and talk about it, think about it. Here are my thoughts about what courage means. Well, courage could mean being willing to learn new things and not being afraid to have a go at improving. So often people, when it comes to something new, especially as you get older and you're an adult, and sometimes you think, well, I don't want to learn something new. Maybe I won't be good at it. And then you're afraid to have a go. Oh, what if I embarrass myself? But the point is, if you are brave and if you have courage, you say, I really would like to learn new things. I'd really like to have a go, because then I'll be able to learn and I'll get better. So that's having courage. Having courage is sometimes saying, I'm not so sure about this. I need some time to make up my mind. I want to talk to people. I want to read a bit more about it. I want to hear what my teachers got to say, what my parents have got to say, what my carers have got to say, the important people in my life, what they've got to say. So taking your time to make up your mind, well, that's really having courage. Sometimes it takes real courage to learn from our mistakes. We don't just say, oh, I don't want to even think about that. That was so embarrassing, that mistake I made. But if you've got courage, you say, what can that mistake teach me? How can I do it better next time? Especially if you're trying to learn a skill, for example, and you make a mistake. You say, well, where did it go wrong? Okay, now let me think and concentrate and focus. And next time, you really know how to improve. And courage can also sometimes, and this takes so much courage, it can be saying sorry and starting again. Sometimes that takes so much courage, because you have to make yourself like a little bit vulnerable to say sorry. But if you can say sorry and start again, you never know. It can help you with your friendship. It can help you with everything that's going on in your life. So being able to say sorry and start again, well, that takes real courage. Well done. So I like turning things into actions, so we can sort of say to ourselves, well, okay, how can I act with courage? How can I really improve and grow my courage? Well, the first thing is I can commit to doing my best. So instead of saying, I didn't really try, it wasn't my best. If you say, no, I'm going to try my best, whatever happens, even if I fail, even if I make a mistake, but the point is I'm going with a positive attitude and I'm going to do my best. That is a powerful courage action. So everybody, I think, let's commit to doing our best this half term. The next thing is you can be ready to forgive others and yourself. That really takes courage, is to say to somebody else, you know what, you really hurt my feelings, you really upset me, but you know what, I forgive you and I'd like to start again. And even to say it to oneself, sometimes you think, oh, I made such a mistake. But then you say, you know what, I forgive myself, I did my best, I made a mistake, I forgive myself and I'm going to do better next time. And then you can start again. And that's a really, really powerful courage action. And number 3 is to be confident. That doesn't mean boasting or being arrogant. Confident means realizing I deserve to be here. I deserve to be alive and to do my best and to enjoy life. And that's really, really important. That's the C of the CC way that we always talk about at Grange. Be confident, believe in yourself. It takes a lot of courage. A lot of times people say mean things. The world really knocks you. Life might knock you, but be confident and say, I'm worthy and I want to be my best and enjoy life. We have the Grange CC way. We know Grange CC lining up, which is really important because then you're focused and you're ready to start and have a great learning experience or whatever you're doing. So that's really important to line up well. And CC walking, because you walk with confidence, but you're also walking with consideration. You're caring about our school, you're caring about yourself. And the more that our school does really brilliantly, the more that you as a pupil or as a staff member in our school, you feel great about our school. So CC walking, confidence and consideration. So stars of the week, well, that was from the week before half term. And we had gold for Nehara, brilliant work Nehara, and we had gold for Leland. What a fantastic way to end the half term. And both of you can really look forward to a great half term and hopefully inspire us so many, many more people get gold this half term ahead of us. The Grange House of Water in Autumn 1, well, there are 134 Grange pupils in the Grange House of Water. And in the last half term got 12,082 points, which is a brilliant total. The Grange House of Fire, 138 Grange pupils, last half term got 11,808 points. The Grange House of Air, 133 Grange pupils, and last term 10,738 points. And the Grange House of Earth, with 134 Grange pupils, a whopping total of 12,933 points, which means that the whole Grange community together, we got 47,561 points, which is a brilliant record-breaking total from last half term. It's absolutely brilliant, and our target this half term, we want to get before Christmas 50,000 points. So let's see if we can beat our record, improve, make progress. Last half term, because we did so brilliantly, we had a lovely visit from Freddie. And this half term, we're going to work towards a visit from real live reindeers for Christmas. So do your bit, have courage, commit to being your best, be a great Grange CC learner. I'm looking really forward to Christmas already. So be great, be Grange, live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.